want to explain to me? Yeah.
My name is Krishna and I am from St. Anthony Primary School. I am 11 years old. My STEM education has a difference. My STEM education includes Internet of Things and Artificial Intelligence. My STEM IT project is to make 2 buttons to turn on and off the lights through the Internet without a cable. If you don't have the standing weapon, you must make your own weapon to turn on and off the lights through the Internet. It takes a very long time to make your own weapons and turn on and off the lights through the Internet. Let us start. This is the Wi-Fi chip. This is the running web page. Read the programming over here. It only took me 2 minutes to do it. Six lines.
Okay. 6 lines. Coding. Coding. Okay.
So if I press lamp control is the on button. It will on. Press off button. It will off. So you can take it anywhere you want. Like
Someone help?
Within the Wi-Fi range? Or?
Yeah. No, wherever. Even you can bring it to Australia.
Yeah.
And we can off
turn it on
yes.
from here.
Yeah.
Sorry, it's Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
lights.
Yeah.
It's offing. Turn off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good. And so why is that important? Sorry. Why is it important to be able to do this? What would